guys, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute since I have done a YouTube video, but I have been ordering these Goodwill mystery boxes, and I thought I would do an unboxing of them. I did 3 different kinds. I did one for a 10 for 10. I think it's going to be duds, but I just wanted to see. My curiosity is getting the best of me. And then I did another one. I did a women's basic apparel, which I'm going to do in this video. And I did 2 denim boxes, which I'm going to unbox together. So stay tuned to see what we get. So I got this women's basic apparel box from Goodwill online, shop Goodwill. It's called their blue box. It is their mystery boxes. Just for reference, this one comes from Goodwill in Kingsport, Tennessee. So as you can see, I haven't opened it. It's going to be a complete mystery. I forget how many pieces are in here, or how many pounds. I think it's pieces. I think it's 10 to 12 pieces usually. Let me see. Women's basic apparel box large. I paid $24.99, and all of their boxes, their shipping is $5 each, which is not bad. But yeah, let's see what we have. Let me put this over here. Oops. So I got a basic apparel box, and I got an H&M basic tee. But it's actually, I went ahead and bought the size large box because I knew that if I couldn't sell it, I might just wear it. My daughter could probably wear some of these too. But this is just a basic striped tee. I like stripes. Pair of Choss, New York. This color actually would probably do really good. It is a burnt orange, like sienna terracotta color. I don't know how to explain it, but there's some stretch pants. Size large, of course. White market and spruce. Ooh, I already tell there's stains. Yeah, no to white. Kind people are my kind of people. I might have to wear this in the next video. But it's very cute. It's apartment 9, just a basic tee. Like it said, basic. It's pretty color. Chico, size 2. It's that same burnt orange color. Just a little top. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong. Might send that to thread up. This is just Old Navy. A little mini, or not mini, but my God, I'm losing the train of thought. Just a little pencil skirt, or mini pencil skirt, or whatever they're called. Sanctuary clothing. It's actually pretty cute. It's got that tweed gold and maroon, almost like a metallic red, like holiday. This would be perfect for like the holiday. Definitely doesn't look like it fit me. It says it's size large though, so it probably runs small. I feel like it has the tag still. It's a Via, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, Via, just like a little athletic top. Pink, which would be perfect for this month with Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Chico size 2. These actually might fit me. I wonder if I could wear these to work at the post office. I think I have to wear blue pants though. Blue or black. These are tribal stretch pants, kind of long. Looks like they're new at tag as well. So far the box isn't terrible. And one more. This is also new with tags. Looks like it had a $40 retail. Liz Claiborne collection. It's pretty blue though. It's like that periwinkle, almost purple little sheath dress. That's actually pretty. But yeah, it's says $40. I might could pull off that tag and wonder what it says under the $40. There was another price tag. Oh, there's nothing under there. But okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I believe the listing was 10 to 12 items in this basic apparel box. Last time I only got 9. I didn't bother to reach out for one item. Box wasn't bad, it wasn't great last time, but I actually kind of like this. There's a few things in here that I might think I actually will keep. So I mean, sell a few things, keep a few things, it'll be worth it. If you have gotten a women's Goodwill apparel box, let me know what your experience was with it and what you thought, and if you're gonna buy it again. Like I said, not terrible. Definitely better than a lot of the thredUP boxes that I've been seeing lately, the mystery boxes or the reject rescue boxes, whatever you want to call them, because a lot of times you get crap in those. But I did have, oh, this is a 11, so they gave me 11 pieces, but this one's crap. It's going in the trash. So I don't know. Feels new. The back of it feels like it hadn't even been washed. So somebody probably wore it once, got a spot on it, didn't even try to wash it, just like donated to Goodwill. I'd love for you to come back and watch some of the other videos that I do. I do a little haul video, some what's sold, and just some tips and tricks. And I plan on doing some reseller repair videos. So keep an eye out for it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.